Hello dear children, welcome to my channel Dino World TV. Today there are many animals in our mud ground. There is a frog, crocodile and a very big tiger. My dear children, one by one we will clean all the animals out of the mud and tell about them. If you know some facts, then first you have farm animals, rooster. Clean it by taking out of the mud. Discuss between over 100 different sounds, and they often crowd the announce their territory to others roosters. Now the next animal you have is the zebra. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Zebra have unique striped patterns just like fingerprints in humans, and their stripes help confuse predators like lions and hens. The next animal you have is a lion. Let's also clean it by taking out of the mud. Lions are social animals that live in groups called prides, and they can roar loudly enough to be heard up to 5 miles away. Now you have the next animal, the hippo. Let's clean it up. Hippo spend most of their time in the water to keep their skin moist and cool, and they can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes underwater. The next animal you have is the panda, which the kids clean it out of the mud. Panda have a 6-thumb procedure thumb, which helps them grab bamboo efficiently for eating. The next animal you have is the duck, which is taken out of the mud and wash it. Male ducks called ducks have a distinct quacking sound, while female ducks have a quieter and raspier quack. The next animal you have is a bison. We will also take out of the mud and wash it. Bison, also known as American buffalo, can run up to 35 miles per hour and use their massive hair to clear snow in search of food during winter. Now you have the next animal, tiger. Let's clean it too. Tigers have unique strip patterns that are as distinctive as human fingerprint, and they are excellent swimmers, often cooling off in water during hot days.
Look, there she is. Thomas, no, look, Thomas, look. She's right there, look.
Now you have the next animal, the bear. Let's clean it by taking it out of the mud. Bears hibernate during winter, entering a deep sleep-like state to conserve energy and survive the cold month without food. Now the next animal you have is the frog. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Frogs can breathe hot their skin, and some species can even change color to blend in with their surrounding for camouflage. The next animal you have is the horse. Let's take it out of the mud and clean it. Horses communicate with humans for various expressions such as nest, winters, and body language like ear, motion, and tail movement. Now you have the next animal, cow. We will also clean it by taking out of the mud. Children, cows have 4 stomachs to help them digest hot plant materials like grass, and they spend up to 8 hours a day chewing cud to aid digestion. The next animal you have is the giraffe. It is also cleaned by taking it out of the mud. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, which is 7, but they are elongated, allowing them to reach high branches for food. Now the next animal you have is a crocodile. It is a very big and clean it by taking it out of the mud. Crocodiles have powerful jaws with sharp teeth and can incredible bite force, making them formidable predator in their habit. The next animal you have is the deer. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Deer are agile and can leap over 30 feet in a single bound, allowing them to escape predator and navigate through challenging terrain. Now the next animal you have is a leopard. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Leopards are agile climber and can drag prey twitch their weight up into tree to keep it safe. Scavenger like hands. Now you have the next animal, elephant. Children also take it out of the mud and clean it. Elephants use their trunks for various activities, including breathing, drinks, picking up objects, and communicating with other elephants for sound and touch. Now you have the last animal you have is a sheep. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Sheep have excellent memory and can recognize familiar faces, including human faces, even after being separated for several years. All the animals have been taken out of the mud and cleaned. Thanks friends. See you for watching the video. Bye bye. In the next video, see you.